another unboxing of diecast cars. So in my last video I showed you the alternatives for Hot Wheels collection. If you wish to collect something that is similar to Hot Wheels and you wish not to spend much, these would be the alternatives, and these are the Hot Wheels vehicles that I unboxed previous to that. So as you can see, the Hot Wheels are always a superior quality in terms of the vehicle details, grills, and even the interiors, whereas on these it's all blacked out, and even if you try to look in, there is nothing, and it doesn't weigh as much as the Hot Wheels. These have the quality but not the attention to details as the Hot Wheels. So today I have something similar. Today I do have diecast car collections that I just saw online, that something caught my attention. So what these diecast cars are is, these are exact copies of Hot Wheels. I don't actually own the exact copies of the Hot Wheels vehicles, but if I had, it would have been much easier to do the side-by-side comparison with each other. But I hope I get in the future, and when I do, I will do a direct comparison with those as well. So as of now, this is the packaging, and yes, it is a bit damaged, and this is not from AliExpress or anywhere. I found these on Amazon and they costed only like 180 rupees per box, and there are like 4 cars, whereas if you buy Hot Wheels or some other brands, they would cost you around 600 rupees just for 5 cars. And if they are movie cars, of course these are Fast and Furious, which will be unboxed in the upcoming unboxings, these would set you back for another 1500 rupees. But again, these are extremely cheap. These just cost you like 1/3 or 1/4 of the actual amount of Hot Wheels. And what is funny is that these models are exactly copied from Hot Wheels. As you can see, these are this is one of the movie cars. This is the vehicle that caught my attention. So this is the Dome's Ice Charger. Once I take it out of the box, I would be able to show you what I meant by the Ice Charger. So and even all 4 of these vehicles, I was able to find them online. Might as well add those details, the original name of these vehicles that are copied from that of Hot Wheels directory, and I'll just paste them wherever it is possible for me. So without any delay, let's get into unboxing. So the packaging is not as complicated like the Hot Wheels, whereas you can put these vehicles back once you are done with them, whereas Hot Wheels boxes, you might have to like throw them away, where you can just open them and reuse them for some another purposes. I'll just place this aside. So let's not confuse with these vehicles, as these are already unboxed on Hot Wheels, and these are alternatives. Let's put them aside. So the first vehicle, so this is Dom's Ice Charger from the I can't say the latest movie, the one before Hobbs and Shaw, whereas we all think Dom goes bad, and I think the movie name was Fate of Fast and Furious. Let me just see if I can focus them. Yeah, there you go. So this is exactly the movie vehicle, which is originally made only by Hot Wheels. Only they have this 1:64 size license, if that is the right term. So these guys are they just ripped off the Hot Wheels and they just made their own. And what is interesting is that these cars are very hard to come by in India, where these movie cars are either sold for an higher price, even though the MRP is like around 300 or 400, it is sold, just one car will be sold for like double the price or triple the price, just because they were featured in movie. And these people, whoever made this brand, they didn't care to mention it as a Dodge Ice Charger. That could have got more attention. Well, lucky me, I was able to find them. This got my attention, and I didn't think twice, I just bought them right away. So that would be the first car. As you can see, it's the 1969 Dodge Ice Charger. As per the movie reference, it's known as the Ice Charger. And you also have those details. Of course, if this was an Hot Wheels vehicle, you could have seen inside the seats and all the driver pits, inside consoles, all those stuff, but in this it is not possible. But again, these vehicles are of same size of Hot Wheels, 1:64, and the details still exist, but you don't get the internal details like the steering wheel or the stereo system, dashboard, internal mirrors and all those stuff. But it does the job. I can say that these vehicle doesn't look bad. These are like Hot Wheels alternatives, and they do their job. They are great. So let's go on along with the next one. I believe this is Camaro. I'm not pretty sure, but I'll make sure I just find what this vehicle is. And yeah, the wheel was bit damaged, or not damaged. The paint or whatever, the gold coating they did, it didn't stick to the wheel like the rest of the four, and the wheel is similar to this one. So you guys get the point. It's no big deal for me, as long as I can add them to my collection. Of course, they don't value much since these are not of Hot Wheels or any of the movie cars, but I like these stuff, and these things get me closer to automobile industry, and that is what I wish to become when I was big. But again, so this is some sort of Chevrolet Camaro, but I'm pretty not sure. The thing I like about Hot Wheels is they do mention which vehicle it is, like 55 Chevy, but nothing. It just says made in China. That is the one stuff that I felt a bit odd about these vehicles. Well, again, I'll get the details for these vehicles, and I'll make sure you guys able to see them. And we have one of the Hot Wheels original design. So these are not of any of the real manufacturer vehicles. These are the vehicles that where the designers go crazy with their ideas. And of course, this is, again, they have copied the Hot Wheels logo, the layout. Instead of Hot Wheels, they just mention it as die-cast. And as you can see, this vehicle, I do remember the name. This vehicle is known as Night Shifter, and it's one of the Hot Wheels design, and there isn't much of a details to go through for these. And last we have the Crescendo. That's what even this is one of their Hot Wheels original design, whereas you can see the vehicle, it's an designer's vehicle. One of the designer designed it, and they went wild with the vehicle, and there you have it. So this was one of those videos where easy, if you don't want to become a big collector, but again you wish to collect them all, this would be an cheap alternative.